if the trunk on your Crossfire, it just drops down and doesn't stay up, like in this case, that means the strut supports here need to be replaced. And to do that, we'll show you in a second. It's very easy and straightforward. You have the strut support right here. There's these two metal clips that you just need to slide away in order to move the remove the strut. So that should be ready to be removed. We'll do the same thing over here. So once you do that, you can just pull them out. Next, just install the new strut in reverse order. Just try to get that in. And all you need to do is just move down this clip so it locks it in place. And there it is. You do the same thing for the bottom one.